How to take apart Zebra wireless barcode scanner. Step 1. Remove the sticker on top of the scanner. Use a heat gun or hair dryer to warm up and soften the adhesive to make the sticker come off easier. Use a knife blade to start separating the sticker from the scanner, and then peel the rest of it off. Next, remove 2 screws using a star screwdriver size T9. If you need help finding tools used in this video, links will be in the description area below. Now you're going to be able to remove the top of the scanner and the rubber gasket. Next, remove 2 more T9 screws holding the circuit board. Pull up and take out the circuit board assembly. Separate the rest of the components and you are all set now. This is how you take apart the Zebra wireless barcode scanner.